through drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance aka Miss Cameroon, and I am back with a new video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box from September 2018. I'm super excited to unbox this product. So this is a try on haul. I'm not really doing a tutorial. So the first item is the pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoking eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go more into details when I'm putting it on my eyes. The second item is the Alamar cosmetic ojitos brush sets. And before I talk about it, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer on my eyes. My concealer is my NYX HD photo concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. So this palette is made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best look. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture. I really love using this palette, you guys. I just feel like the colors are so nice and they blend perfectly. The shimmer shades went on my eye perfectly. I absolutely love the colors in this palette. Okay, the next item is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll Eyeliner. Guys, I did not like this eyeliner at all. Okay, at all. I hated it so much. So it said create precise ultrafine wing liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. And the ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. Lies, I hated it, you guys. The worst. It's so hard to like do a lines with it because like the way it's kind of flat, like it's super flat, so you can't really like make precise lines. But yeah, my eyeliner that I went ahead and used, it's my Sam Marcel eyeliner, and it's amazing. Like I mentioned, this is not a tutorial, but I'm still gonna tell you guys what I'm using on my face. So I'm using the Bobbi Brown foundation on my skin, and I think it's like in Golden Honey. And then my eyelashes is from eBay. I'm going to include the link down below. So I'm basically just working on my skin right now. Yes, and then the concealer I'm using is the same concealer that I use on my eyes. And my setting powder is by Laura Mercier. It's a translucent powder. I love this translucent powder, you guys. And then I'm just blending that in and using my Olive powder from MAC NC45. Now I'm going to my Sam Marcel highlighting palette. Oh my god, I love this palette, you guys. I know this is not part of the tutorial, but you know, I love this palette. I'm gonna include it down below. And then going on with my lip liner from NYX lip liner. Okay, so next product, guys, next product. So this product, this lip Pro Liquid lipstick is from Lorac. Oh, I love this color on me. Oh my god. So this is the GoPro with Lorac Pro Liquid lipstick with the smooth glide of a gloss and the high pigment of a lipstick. This creamy, lightweight and long-lasting pro formula coats the lips in bold color that dries down to a comfortable matte finish. Definitely, I loved this on my lips. Absolutely, I loved it on my lips. I just thought the color made my makeup pop more. It did not feel heavy on my lips. I absolutely love this color, and I got so many compliments. For the cheeks, I used the L'Oreal Big Blush and Brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this big blush. Stunning swirl of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours. I really like this because it gives you like a little bit of a blush, but it gives you a little bit of a glow. You know what I mean? Like I was glowing, but I was blushing, and it wasn't too much. So I really recommend this if you want it. And yes, guys, that's basically all the products that was in my 2018 September Boxycharm, and I'm definitely gonna give this a thumbs up. I think this was way better than last month's. Like, oh my god, the only thing I hated was the eyeliner. The brushes were amazing, like for my eyes. I love the brushes for my eyes. It worked so perfectly. And other than that, you guys, this is all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you thought it was quick but very informational at the same time. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
When they come for you, bad boys say, in the streets for you. Bring a gun, man on the floor. Bring a gun, some man on the floor. Mama crying, brother crying.